Chrome 3-piece universal joint socket set includes 3 drive sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. It also comes with a high-quality aluminum rail for convenient storage. Each socket features a full 360-degree smooth swivel joint, allowing you to reach fasteners in tight or awkward spaces with ease. Equipped with a detent ball and notch, these sockets securely latch onto your tools, providing a reliable connection that won't easily slip off, helping you work faster and more efficiently. The sockets are crafted from heat-treated Chrome Vanadium steel, providing excellent strength and corrosion resistance. The polished chrome finish and clearly stamped sizes make them easy to clean and simple to identify. Upgrade your toolkit with Chrome 3-piece universal joint socket set, built for durability, designed for convenience.